better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. There are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
At stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction and hopefully the style of contest.
Already we're underway here. Williams, forward it goes. Guardado, and now they can launch a counter. Herrera. Now it's Corona. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Guardado! He's given away a free kick. We sit high. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Goes long. Chooses to go back. Turns and goes back. Reed! Done very well to intervene. Williams, Walker, pushes it out wide, played back in, swept in, and he's got good distance. Who's chasing? It's gone a long way up and away, and he's going long. Guardado plays it forward. And it's Herrera. Out to the left it goes. Back into the middle. Raul. There's no flag. Looking to shoot. Try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
Yeah, he may have snatched it down a bit, even though it was quite close.
The match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Lozano dinks one in. Lozano cleared without complication.
That's just an example of overcommitting, and they're fortunate for the quality of the intervention. It was vital.
Made certain that won't get through. Rodriguez. Played out to the right. Plays it long. Corona is demanding it out wide. Herrera. Lovely bit of skill there. Tries to get it forward quickly. Aimed long and direct. Antonio. And the counter is on. Nicely controlled. He's away. The shot's on. I think he's done ever so well.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Lozano tries to get it forward quickly. Lozano displaying his defensive capabilities there. That's no striker's tackle.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
Knocks it away. Play for a throw. Has a swing at it! Morrison. And it's Herrera. Lozano. Layun. Lozano. Reed. Walker plays it out to the wing, looks to thread it through. Is there any support? He might not need it. Well, they can break here. Herrera. Oh, good interception. There really wasn't very much in that. Far away from being a telling final ball.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Walker. Forward it goes. That's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Layun. Lozano. He's made sure that that won't get through. Forward it goes. Morrison. Antonio. Complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Lozano. Cordova. He's through the middle. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And that'll be the last act of the first half. So another team has broken through. Not what I wanted trying. Interesting game up to now. Still goals. So they head in no further forward. The score here still 0-0. Here we go again.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and produce something a little more magical.
It's come loose. Aimed long and direct. Well played, he saw that coming. Rodriguez tries to get it forward quickly. Herrera. Cordova. He's picked him out. No question, that's a foul. He's had a shot! Walker. Williams. Walker. Williams. Walker. Towel. Morrison, good challenge, he just stood firm. Fence has got rid of that. Back to the keeper and try something new. Williams. He spotted the run and played him through. Hits one!
But by that far, that's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Herrera gets it back. Antonio, and he's away. Antonio! Away from immediate danger. Oh, he's got a crucial block in there. Cordova. Has he picked him out? Chance to break. Lozano beats the offside trap. Lozano! And now the finish! Gets good distance on it. He's got away. Breaks on here. Antonio! Oh, great save. Real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
And it's Herrera. Guardado. No breakthrough and well into the second period. It is still anyone's game. Who's he going to play in? Going for goal! Aimed long and direct. Now a chance to break. Walker. Morrison. Well, it's normally around now that the managers think about making changes. Forward it goes. Needs to get it forward quickly. Corona lays it out to the flank. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Gets it upfield, well positioned to make that interception. Goes long, has gone out. Raul, great ball, now the shot. Aimed long and direct.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Dashing forward at pace. Lozano. Kings it out wide. Going through. Boots it to safety. And a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. Been clubbed away. Pops it in gently. Surely. Shoots! Really well taken goal. Finally, the deadlock is broken. He was so alert to the possibilities there. Great stuff.
Look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was, absolutely top-notch.
So we have our breakthrough.
I think the danger for them now is fatigue. I think when the body tires, the mind soon follows. So concentration is key from here.
Ball through needs to be good here. Cut out in the nick of time.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation. And it needs to be any time now, really. I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Corona clips one through. Big chance! And he's there to make a great save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Massive leap! Gets good distance on it. Guardado. It really is now or never. They need a goal. Shoots! Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Guardado plays it short. Chance for a cross, maybe now or never. Forward it goes. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. And it's got through. He's been bundled over, that is a foul. And no surprise, that's a booking. Players protesting furiously, but there's little or no sympathy from the ref. It is all over. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough. thrilling, nail-biting, perhaps frustrating until the very end, but we do have a winner.
Well, I just think that determination and persistence has paid off handsomely to squeeze the win out of a draw.